Today's post is brought to you by the Atlantica Properties team, powered by eXp Realty.
5 cash-saving green upgrades. Going green is great for the environment, but that's not the only benefit. When you make green upgrades in your home, it can also lead to some major savings. 1. Solar panels. The upfront cost is big, but the long-term savings are huge. Solar panels will cost several $1,000s to install, but ongoing maintenance costs are very low, and a typical system could save you hundreds of dollars per year. You can even sell your surplus electricity. 2. Wood furnace. Wood-burning furnaces are relatively inexpensive, and though the yearly savings aren't as dramatic, about 10% on heating bills, it adds up over the long run. 3. Insulation. There's a good chance your insulation isn't very efficient, especially in older homes. Look into installing floor, cavity, wall, and loft insulation to reduce your heating bills. 4. Rain barrels. Rain barrels are extremely inexpensive and provide gallons of free water to use when you wash your car or water your garden. 5. Geothermal system. Okay, so the price tag is scary at first. A geothermal system uses the Earth's temperature to heat and cool your home, but can cost $30,000 to install. But tax credits allow you to get a lot of that money back, and the energy savings average about $1,900 per year. If you plan to be in your home for a decade or two, it's a great investment.
For other great tips and resources, visit us at buy-sell-atlhomes.com. If you're a first-time homebuyer or looking to sell your home or invest in rental property, click the link in the description to arrange a one-on-one video consultation with one of our licensed agents to answer any questions you may have. The Atlantica Properties team is here to help. Call us at 678-900-7728. That's 678-900-7728.